Oh, look, they're right over. I don't know if you can see them in your picture. SAP, look at them. Are they going for a capsize? That is so close. Yes, they're going over. Surely they're going over. Oh, this is a disaster for the Danish team, Andrew. We haven't seen a capsize for a very, very long time. And this is bad news.
We did think that that might happen today, and it has happened in front of our very eyes.
Okay, so they have a guest sailor on board as well, I believe. We're going to make sure, look, the safety rib there as quickly as they can be. We're going to try and make sure everyone is safe. Remember, they're wearing life jackets, they're wearing helmets, so they're under the best place that they can be. We've got safety teams there, so please don't worry, these teams are going to be safe. But this is bad news for the Danish team. We're going to get information to you as soon as we can.